We are going to be upgrading the factory speakers in my Honda. This is a 2000 Honda Insight. Basically the tools you're gonna need are pretty straightforward for this. So I have a flathead and a Phillips. And then on these old speakers, the thing is that they have these connectors on them. And unless you wanna do a ton of kind of soldering and other stuff, the easiest thing to do is to basically just cut the existing wires. And then we're gonna be soldering on these new wires right here. This is our little speaker cutout on the car, and I'm gonna take my flathead, and you can see there's a little divot right here where you can kind of insert this guy, and then this is gonna be something you should probably do with 2 hands, but you know, basically you kind of pop it in just like that to get this thing out. Now you can see your 3 Phillips screws. I'm gonna remove these screws, and then we'll undo that connector. Okay, and then there's that connector. So basically you're just gonna pinch the 2 sides, and then this thing should kind of wiggle off. Just like that.